Hey there, welcome to another unboxing video. Here we have the GAMMAXX L120, which probably refers to the 120mm fan, which it's also version 2 apparently. It has an RGB fan and an RGB that is connected to the CPU. It's a quite interesting liquid cooler. It has an anti-leaking tech inside. Nice packaging. We protect also the radiator here. Let's maybe take it out like this. It will be easier. So here's the fan. I hope it has low noise. Let's see, does it sense over here? No, actually it doesn't. That's alright. No, it says, yeah, okay, so you can pause the video and read out all the specifications here. So I think these are the instructions. Yep, nice, they put instructions here. And for example, in Arctic case, there are no more instructions inside the box, therefore you have to rely on the internet. So yeah, not quite a good idea, even that the Arctic liquid fans, they are, let's say, a little bit more expensive than non-branded ones. And I would understand, like, you don't actually need to put paper inside of it, but still this would cost way less than 10 cents, probably 1 cent, I don't know, not 100% sure how much is the cost of this. But yeah, if you don't have internet on your disposal, then you must make sure you have it. Otherwise you cannot connect. So this is how it looks like, the connector. This one goes to the CPU and probably has the RGB. I will not open it right now, but I just wanted to show you that it has a copper, which can make a perfect heat transfer between the processor and the liquid cooler. Can we see what is written here? Beijing Deep Cool Industries, so definitely made in China. It is compared to the Arctic, this radiator is much smaller. Yeah. Hopefully it will survive in time. And here are some connectors for Intel and AMD. It also has for RGB, its own RGB. So yeah, you can connect it directly to your ESU that has RGBs, or to the motherboard, or to the cases. Some cases also can be connected to the liquid cooling system. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and I wish you a very nice day. Bye.